Well, here's the rest of the story. This pizza, out of the Uni Cooking with Fire cookbook, just came out of our oven. We've let it cool for a couple of minutes, and now we're going to do the taste test. We're going to share our thoughts, and both about how it tastes and how it cooked. So I'm going to use our Uni rocker blade, which we really like. Now, because of the ingredients that we used, pears, walnut, gorgonzola, and what are these little berries again?
Cranberry.
Cranberries. They could be containing a lot of heat. So this one we're going to be a little bit cautious with, but I'm ready to go in.
Okay.
And take my first taste. It's crust is cooked. Yeah, nice.
You like it?
I do like it.
Wow, I'm surprised.
I am not a gorgonzola blue cheese fan, but on the biga pizza dough with the pears and everything, it really blends well in my mind.
Good.
What else do you think about this? What would you maybe do different, or what do you think about the taste?
I think the combination of the tartness of the cranberry and the tomato sauce works surprisingly well. And I was going to maybe thinking about substituting a white sauce instead of the tomato, but I think this works out really well.
Yeah, I think the tomato sauce is okay. And again, Lori kind of thought of this as more of an appetizer pizza. It's a little early in the day. We don't have some white wine, any Sauvignon Blanc or Chardonnay right now to sip. But it might be something that you start and serve early when your guests arrive, maybe. And then you move on to something, a different type of pizza, maybe with more... with some meat or something.
Bill's a meat guy.
I'm a meat pizza type eater, but and I really do not like gorgonzola, but for some reason in this combination, the way the flavors blend together, I'm really enjoying the taste.
I think I would try and make sure I use a ripened pear rather than. I think a little touch of sweetness would be good. Some people I notice on the Uni website use this stuff called hot honey. Maybe something like that would be good. Or just regular honey, maybe.
And the walnuts are a little bit
Crunchy.
toasty, but they taste good. And I'm not even a walnut fan. So you got walnuts, you got gorgonzola, two things that I would not normally reach for. And for some reason...
Bill is a pizza purist.
They just work great.
Yeah, it's very delicious. So I'm glad we tried this recipe.
I'm very glad. There's some interesting stuff in the... we're finding out now that we're actually digging into the Uni Cooking with Fire cookbook. Again, we're not sponsored by anybody. We just kind of do these videos because we enjoy them. For the full video of Lori building the pizza and me cooking it and turning it and retrieving it, please check out our YouTube channel. You'll find the full video there.
And you'll see lots of interesting recipes, pizza and non-pizza.
Absolutely, and we make it very easy for you. We're 12th Avenue Cuisine on Facebook, we're 12th Avenue Cuisine on YouTube, and we're 12th Avenue Cuisine on Instagram. We got all those bases covered. And if you like this video, please share it with others on Facebook. Help spread the word about what you can do with your Uni outdoor pizza oven and the great creations that you can make. It's really, since we got it in May of 2020, we've just had a lot of fun with it and cooked some really cool stuff. We had a big pizza party on a camping trip. It just adds a dimension to to your lifestyle, even given all the challenges that we have.
Yes, even especially during the lockdown.
Yeah,
it was
especially
made
during
really
the lockdown.
nice.
So
Okay, till next time, huh?
I think till next time.
Bye.
Bye.